Gmail is your hub for communication. There is a mail section to access your emails, a chat section primarily for one-to-one instant messaging, rooms for team communication, and Meet, where you can quickly start a video call or join one that's already been scheduled in the calendar. In this video, we will focus on navigating Gmail and how you can customize the interface. In the top left, you have the Compose button to start a new email. Below that, you have what you probably refer to as your folders. However, in Gmail, these are called labels. You can open and close this section using the hamburger icon in the top left. Also at the top, you have a search. Like many Google Workspace apps, Gmail is built around a search, and this will be the quickest way you find an email, as it searches all of your emails by default. The sidebar on the right is where you can preview other apps such as the calendar. The first thing you may want to do is customize some of your settings. If you select the settings wheel, here you will find your quick settings. And this is basically where you can customize your theme and the layout of your inbox. You can change your inbox type in here and split it into different sections. You can enable the reading pane. And at the bottom of there is where you can turn conversation view on or off. This will be switched on by default, which means emails with the same subject will be grouped together. This is a very useful feature to keep everything related in one place. We will look closer at how this works in another video. By selecting See All Settings, you will find your general settings for Gmail. In here, you will find features such as the out of office at the bottom. And if you are new to Gmail, there is a setting in here called button labels. Switching the button label setting from icons to text will make it much easier to identify what each button does within the Gmail interface. This is how the buttons look before you change that setting. So we have icons, which you can hover over to see what they do. And this is what the button labels look like after changing the setting. So the button labels are text. We can easily identify all of the options when selecting emails. Gmail has a very simple interface which makes it easy to find what you need. For new emails, you simply select Compose. To reply or forward an email, see the options on the right hand side of each message. There's a reply icon on the side, and if I click the three dots here, that's where I'll get the options to reply to all or forward the email. This icon appears a lot throughout Google Workspace. If you see an icon with three dots, it simply means more. So you may as well select it to see what additional options are available. When writing an email, you will see all the options along the bottom of the message. We have send and schedule send, formatting options, attaching files from your computer, and inserting files from Google Drive. Drive sharing increases collaboration, and this will be covered in detail in a separate video. If you have been delegated access to another mailbox, you can access it at the top right. Any other mailboxes you've been given access to will be listed here. When you open them, they will open in a new tab in Chrome, so you can just switch between the tabs in Chrome to get between your mailbox and any other mailboxes you have access to.